All right, we begin with some weather updates from India. The India Meteorological Department has predicted thunderstorms, strong winds and heat wave conditions across various parts of the country in the coming days. Now, combination of weather systems, there are troughs, cyclonic circulations and western disturbances is expected to drive varied weather patterns from east to northwest India, including Delhi NCR. Now, let's take a look. Now, due to multiple troughs and a cyclonic circulation over North Bangladesh, eastern and central India are likely to witness widespread rainfall and thunderstorms. Strong winds and isolated hailstorm activities are also forecast. IMD has also warned of isolated hailstorm activity on April 30th across Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh and West Bengal. A fresh western disturbance will affect northwest India from May 2nd onwards, bringing rainfall, thunderstorm and dust storms. These changes will impact Delhi, Punjab, Haryana and the hilly regions of Himachal and Uttarakhand. Now, southern India will remain under the influence of cyclonic circulation extending from Madhya Pradesh to Tamil Nadu. Several states will experience scattered rainfall with intense thunder squall activity expected in north interior Karnataka. Although rainfall will offer some relief from heat in parts of south, and hot and humid weather is still expected across coastal and interior regions until May 1st. Northeast India is likely to witness heavy rainfall, strong winds and isolated heavy showers, particularly in Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya. Thunderstorms and lightning will accompany most of the precipitation. While rain will cool many regions, heat wave to severe heat wave conditions are still expected in western parts of India, particularly in Gujarat, Rajasthan and Himachal Pradesh. Maximum temperatures over northwest India and Gujarat are expected to drop by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius after 2 days due to cloud cover and rainfall. Capital Delhi is set for varied weather with dust storms and rain likely between April 30th and May 2nd. The temperatures will remain slightly below normal with strong surface winds expected.